Hello sir, good morning sir. I'm Sam Justin Hernando. In this video, I will be discussing what presentation is all about. Important of tide tables for seafarers. What is a tide table? A tide table is a chart showing the predicted time and height of tide at a particular location. Published by official bodies like Hydrographic Office or Meteorological Agency. Covers daily tide event, high tide and low tide. Key information in tide tables. Time of high and low tide. High of each tide in meter of feet. Location and specific prediction. Sometimes include moon phases and weather impact. Why tide tables are crucial for seafarers. Help plan safety entry and exit from port. Avoid grounding or delays due to low tide. Ensure efficient under keel clearance. Support fuel and route optimization. Real life example. A real life example of tide tables in use involves a seafarer planning a vessel entry into a harbor. This seafarer would use a tide table to determine the time and height of high and low tide at the harbor entrance. This information is crucial for ensuring the vessel has difficult depth of water to cross initial or shallow areas safely, especially when the drop of the vessel is a significant factor. Additional use in marine operation, fishing operation and aquaculture, coastal construction and bridging, beach navigation and tourism, environmental monitoring. Where to access the tide tables? National Hydrographic website. Tide tide prediction apps, nautical chart and publication, port authority bulletins. Conclusion. Tide tables are valuable tools for predicting water levels, especially for navigation and coastal activities. They provide the times and high and low tide for a specific location, allowing users to plan their activities accordingly. However, it's important to remember that these tables are based on historical data and average tidal pattern, and actual tide height can be affected by factors like wind and atmospheric pressure.